What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have Zozo and Kiki link up. You saw me I say after all of the bring down and disrespect between them two, you know what I mean? Them good my people. You see me I say, and they are much similar in a way, you know, because the two of them down back from a confrontation. You see me I say, or an argument you that say, you see it. So me I go share with them did they chat about. You understand? And from where they appear Brit and Zozo we see a circulate. You know what I mean? Be things between the two of them. The two of them are like and entertaining, me not like, cause them look at thing where them go on with them back and forth, them cussing, me not like, me love it my people. And I don't know if it's like a act or a real something, but it's funny to me. You see me? One thing me know say Brit love is Zozo. I me know say Zozo love Brit. You see me? But I want to tell me what I think about them relationship and the dynamics of it. You see me? Also my people, we have Shana Chin and we have K husband and Shay link up. Seeing my people on a level, alright, it look like say Shana Chin was the type of woman where the G a wait pan for the longest while, in a sense where him can get him freedom to do whatever him want when it come to like woman. Cause Shana Chin we can't girl for the dog knock to, you know my people. I don't know say a Shana Chin that. And you see in a them a time and age you know, and that a man I look for. You see me I say, me don't know if that show some weakness in a Shana Chin or it show like power for sure say the man can do whatever and it now go fears her and she confident in her man to the level where, you see me, or she decides say yo, you know say the man I want and me I go do whatever to keep him because him have what I want. You see me? So me want the females them tell me in the comment section what do you guys think alright that say about Shana Chin. Is that make her less or more? You see me? Because here we go my people, we are from Africa and in Africa a man is allowed to have any how much wife him can maintain. You see me I say? So naturally we as men we born to have more than one woman. You see me I say in a them a society you know, and this a rural where we can live in them have one man to a woman. You see me? And it a cause problem. Me sure say in a relationship where a man have more than one woman, certain problems are in that the relationship there. You see me I say? So people want to tell me what to think and we're gonna kick it off, you know. I know I left out a couple things, but definitely I gonna see it in the video and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So we could get in at my people.
How many times you change the sheet at your yard so?
What you mean how many times?
Every day?
Every 2 days!
That's a rock tonight, bro.
What do you mean last night? There are more than 3 sheets, more 4 sheets, more 5 sheets.
So you change every day though?
I told you every 2 days.
Alright.
Me go clean up this place and pack my suitcase. Me ready to leave one nobody else. Yeah, me go clean up and pack my suitcase. Because if me can't request sheet, me can't get no type of service. What the hell is this place? The tissue done out of the bathroom. They only give you 2 roll like tissue. One already be using and then one that not use. Yeah. And if I tell me send me then I do room service here, me must not call them and then something there.
What's the number now?
What's their number? Then do not have front decks. Then don't have front decks. It's an online place. You book online and just then give you the pin, everything, you just come in. Clean. Me I go clean the place. I'ma tell you what me I go do. You see where me see them put sheet and new things out there so for other people them. I go and take all the garbage and the sheet then go put a somebody door. Yeah! I'll take all them and go put a somebody door. Because me come out of my room every minute me see people are getting new sheet, clean sheet. Me I go show them what a Jamaican can do. Me I put all of the dirty garbage them and all of the sheet them right out of somebody door. Because this a madness. That is unfair for me. I sleep on one sheet every day. Me ask one of the girl them what me say. You know what part me have to carry garbage go dash way out in the street. No rubbish bin not there here. Out in the street me have to walk with garbage I go put down and me a tourist. So me have to litter Panama as a tourist. How that look on me as a tourist? You go in the next country putting garbage in the street on the ground. Huh? That don't look good for me. Stepping out your apartment to put rubbish on the roadside. And then when you look at other people getting clean stuff and I here sleeping in dirty stuff, wallowing. Here's somebody now. Jesus Christ. And I always come with budget. Wanna just think low of us. No confident in our way. Why don't I feel like that? No washer is here. The washer you have to go all the way downstairs and you have to wash with your hands. Nothing wrong with a budget, but every time me I talk, I make it seem like say me I be ration pan him. Yes, you have to wash with your hands. Outside in an outside sink, concrete sink like you used to in Jamaica. And it's not matter of a budget. You know the worst part about it? Then keep on telling me. Not even soap me not get for wash the plate them. Not even soap me not get for wash the plate them. You understand? Yes, not even soap. So it's no matter if an Airbnb or hotel say you don't get room service, you're supposed to get room service because they don't give us map, they don't give us soap, they don't give us disinfectant, they don't give us nothing to clean the place. It's not like when we use the sheet, it was a neck. So you change this sheet, you fold up the other one, this then put down there. Airbnb give us soap and those things to clean the place. Yes, they give us soap. This Airbnb just give us iron and iron board.
Hey people, you know me not like people who go places and then act brand new. I don't like it. Like say them alright, you see like in another situation yeah, where the girl I say what's she name? I don't remember. Where she has say she have more than one sheet and rare and the dude that asks her so like how often you change your sheet, and she has to like 2 days or something. Which way is a person will stay with her, will live with her for a period of time and know for a fact that she not change her sheet them every 2 days. Nobody not change them sheet every 2 days. I'm almost sure that she don't have a washing machine, and plus when you wash with hand, you're not maybe a week at the least a person we have on them sheet. You see me I say like regularly, me not talk if like say somebody a come over and you change and rare, you know what I mean? Like regularly in your place or something, you go wait a little while before you change your sheet. Like even a week and add maybe, depends upon the type of sheet, and because you know you go all fresh before you go sleep at night time, and you not go jump on your bed at daytime and them something there. So the sheet now go mess up that often. You see me? But you want to abuse a system. You see it? The Airbnb, remember saying a hotel Latino man, that's a Airbnb. People come clean maybe every couple days or so. You can't request a person to come clean like every day and give clean sheets every day. You saw me I say there's a certain amount of sheets supposed to be there where you can go and use, and then them maybe come, if you did it for a period of time, maybe come change out them there and give you some more. But you can't abuse the system like that. If you don't want a hotel, you know, you can request a clean sheet every minute. You see me I say, can you pay your money? But tell me one thing, my people, make go watch some more.
Yes, it's not like I'm lying or being too evil. No soap is here, nothing. Look, what if we never carry with soap? This is the soap they give us to bathe with. These. Not even toothpaste. This thing you with. Just two little bottle. I don't mean the problem. Me a problem, chat. Right now me I want do though. Cause I'm stressed out. I don't toilet paper in a bathroom. Wow, Louis vex. I'm vex. Me I go clean the place by myself and come back and do my area. Me I go clean and come back. I'm going to clean. No, me I go clean because my husband vex apparently need a wife, not a bitch. Not somebody who just enjoy money and don't do nothing. So me I go clean.
I'm not saying that, you just don't listen. You talking about room service, you know they don't got them sometimes.
Me I go clean, no wrong.
Maybe you want to play the pool in the car.
No one watch me clean. Him left my phone stand in the Uber, so it's kind of difficult. So where you have this up about? I'm a cleaner.
Then leave the something that you want. You got like Airbnb, not hotel. Airbnb.
Why you keep on a come clean and I make some yourself? Come help me! Exactly, don't help me, you're not helping me.
I want to clean by myself. I don't want you to clean. I don't want you to clean. I'm not going to clean until you stop cleaning.
You cannot please, you're like vexation, you're like fight. Whenever we talk about something and it's like just or something and it's like just put the shoes down over there to one side. Put your shoes down over there to one side, now stop being so.
Go do TikTok and keep cleaning up.
So we're gonna do TikTok and make it clear. You see me, I help you to make it easier, you want to fight.
That's the something, you know.
You don't want to help and then when you do it right, I'm gonna tell you, say, no, do that right, you get vexed. Rather than me help you say do it right and finish quick. Stop the cussing, man. You like fight, you like war.
Akeem just yam.
Oh, they want to eat.
Wanna give food. Anytime you fuck on yam, I say he looking. You can't see Sengeli. Poor thing. Poor little thing. I will give. You know, like when I give one girl that piece of bone on the road.
It's the one thing, Ziggy.
Yeah,
That girl I want hardcore still, you know.
I wanna wee, Wrangler, believe the man. I wanna wee, dog. I wanna wee, bro. I said when you see a tear off, I say, Wrangler, you deal that, so.
He assigned to you over here, man. He assigned to you over
Believe
here.
them, bro.
He
You
assigned
can't
to
tell her
you
nothing for retard, dog.
Eh?
You can't tell her nothing for retard, brother. They can't wait till I say. Cause with that tear dog, she put on the face, them, you know. And I stay so, she went there, Kiki a cool, Kiki the pun. I say, boom, book, like Wrangler, just step in it.
He not far from prudent,
Yeah,
man.
fuck.
They're stubborn, bad.
What?
Yo, Gemini.
Yo, Ivan is stubborn.
Me we are
Don't
there cause prudent and he sit down and laugh. I know,
Don't Gemini. You see, Rosealee and me.
I think he say one thing to me. He burn me heart.
Yeah, but believe the man.
Kiki say one something to me. Actually, even though it grieve me more. But
Yeah.
not ring off in head.
It's the draft, that's a weird bit, so.
Sick lad. Yeah, man. Article for you, man. He will survive.
Believe the man, I wanna wee,
He will
bro.
survive, man.
But when enter she fall and she hype on me.
I know one thing.
No.
Me study with her. You with the customer, you know. And he don't really take it too personal where he will go and like, he want this a certain type of way
Yeah,
or jump
bro.
up and go to certain type of things. He just accept the fact and know say yo, he assigned to a game. Me don't know how to say that big word then because I don't got a good school and that big word I don't know anything about. Yeah.
Right now, I'm stressed out. I don't make no money from week my daughter's birthday. I want 1 million.
Rascal, for money, my head chip it up.
Then
Can't
I'm
do
really
it.
sure.
Head chip out, for
Yes,
money,
that's
my
wash them
done.
your dirty clothes, yeah. Cause dirty clothes are bad energy, you know.
Yes, yes.
I used to when you see me done wash out them your clothes, yeah. Ziggy, we are gonna make it. From
Believe
6
man.
o'clock in the morning. That's why me asleep all now. I'm build back my energy, you know. When me come on TikTok, you have to ask me if me can be if me not get up.
Ziggy,
Oh.
me not tell you no lie still, you know. You see, when mama say a while ago, I no lie, you know. Yesterday, I decided to not take down nobody too tough, you know.
Kiki, listen to Kiki. Press the beg button. Or go and reason and beg, see me. Because right now, I can't see ranking for man as also.
In a real life, bro.
My life, you know, my friend.
You see, bring down thing now, say that I for go on like say 3 days during the week or on the weekend.
Night time.
Because you see, if I get up every day and do that, you go fuck up one day.
Let's walk up now. Alright then. You see, the night time, bring down can't go on. Bring down can't go on at night time, no in idea. It not sound good in daytime because people in a taxi.
Alright, my people. So, me I hear where Zozo I say, Sin and Kiki I say, where Zozo I says like, you can't come bring down people every day and You see me I say, and this is off topic in a way, but it kind of in a some way similar in a way, you know what I mean, with Rosealee, my people. People see Rosealee and we achieve now on TikTok and they bring down and the cussing and the dirty ways and something, but them don't see the grind. Them don't see when she did just start out on TikTok and I put in the work. Rosealee stay up on live right through. You know what I mean? From sun up to sundown, Rosealee there on TikTok. I look it. You see me I say? And a couple people come along as somebody else did say TJ shouldn't get disrespect because TJ was one of the person where did I show Rosealee the ropes and I bring her when it come to the TikTok thing. You see me I say, but if you don't put in the work yourself, people can only help you so much. You understand me I say? So Rosealee put in the work, my people. 2 person me can say really and truly. Maybe more still, but them 2 person yeah, them put in the work. Candy and Rosealee put in the work. So them deserve everything what them a get. Me not lie you people. Minus the dirty ways when it come to Rosealee. She deserve what she a get. Big man thing. Cause you're putting in the work, you're supposed to get your reward. And this is her reward. You see it. So let me know what you think. Make watch some more.
Mommy tell say no sound good because everybody watch TikTok. You be so shocked how much people know you. So when people are gonna work and talk and they find your phone, you know, sound good. So I better when during the daytime now you can play a dear game when people in a taxi and watch them laugh and have energy. So the people them left and walk and then go in a them bed can be a certain way because boy I'm in a taxi and hear it don't sound good. The people them on TikTok.
Alright, I know him can't easy. If I wait there when him from when him get back him look a groove, I bought him up. I can't tell him nothing. My flow my it's all about them over my street watch my work.
And people are listening.
Welcome home.
Hey, you might be shocked who no fancy now watch you know. I tell me people in a high court power.
Then I tell you no lie. You see what mama say? A fact. But see to all me there run some people, as in people out there so they know me and they watch me. Me see some of them. Me see some more for them. Get us more for them. Worse than I'm chat. 10 rows chat. 10 rows.
Come on, guys.
I want somebody alone.
Everybody, come on, guys.
I want somebody alone. Me say me in a bundle place for. I look to pitney them in the morning time. I look to school pitney them.
Guys,
I put up green screen. Come can't bother with my man.
One next one, guys. One next rows, guys. Quick.
Me nah lie, Ziggy. Me nah lie, Ziggy. So when I come out for me get back money, do my money for buy my grocery. Me no care, you know. When me come for the supermarket money.
Double, guys. Girl testing me that time her birthday and she said her best birthday ever. And me take time off to do it. You see now?
Yeah. Yesterday when your daughter's birthday.
Here.
What was your daughter how much now?
That's what double they're gonna stop me now. But they love me again.
Right now.
Ziggy. One girl kill me look at you now.
Wrong, like easy na dog.
Me I talk about me look youth for real. I first hear me I talk about it for true. Me ain't tell nobody.
Nobody going at but for seriously, nobody going at dog.
No man, one girl from us, bro. You not believe me?
Me not tell us Ziggy, me not tell us all jigga load that.
Bro, me I tell us, bro, Ziggy, in a real life, Ziggy, me I tell us, yo, you hear me?
Yeah, what I say?
Me I say the first black American, my dog, me I tell us, in a real life, the girl go find out, say, yo, me did dip on the road and now talk to me, so me not spend no time to him, and the girl kill it pitney, Ziggy. As in, kill it pitney before pitney born. Literally show me say she pregnant, bro. See God there for ever, me not cap my dog. Girl kill it look out, bro. Girl, when I say me not no time for you, man. I'm not this and be a thing in my chat, bro.
Them time, yeah, go and fuck the whole of the ass clock. Girl, man, come in contour, dog. We expect. That them time wrangler.
Bro, them time they money sweet, bro. Them time they money sweet, Ziggy. The money sweet, car. Me return on the road tonight, dog. Eh?
No way I talk about, dog.
You know them road there. That's how I go still. Mama they want to, you know, because when they want to, you know, all they
know. The three girls them come look for Bob Marley. Bob Marley dead before she born and she come look for Bob Marley. No, she. Done. Thank you. Bob dead before she born.
Yeah.
Still come look for Bob.
Yeah.
Guys, me got buzzers yesterday and buzzers not so nice to people and make it sound.
Buzzy, you think they gonna link the ball of them because the ball say I pull up on your foot?
Who's one of them?
No fear boy man I drive for Benz and them man.
I need to see where I drink. I true me no want to go there. Me no like to turn the ball. I do the alright, so you turn the ball I like.
Well on them music them.
Understand? At least certain life me no really like do it.
Guys, me want to start one business with Uno. It's nice kids. I want to start one business with Uno. Uno see out of Ilo, cross the road. Thanks everybody. They have something what they keep every Friday night. One food market place where me did I get information. They say I must see 27,000 for tent, for night. You just have to come up with something creative. If you think about something creative, and next over. Me don't know if you're not reach over summit yet. Like see Ilo there you go cross the road. One food marketplace up there every Friday night time and they say tent, you rent one tent over there for 27K. Then you also keep it up at Angway Mall every Friday. You see same place where Sundays keep. So me ask you because me go up at Angway Mall last night up there and me not see them. So me always see them down there so Friday daytime. They say them used to up there but.
Alright my people, so we can move on to the next.
They must say hustle on the battle. For take your elevator for go upstairs, them could bother for deal with it. So then come down here so up on the flat. So me I say no and say me there so no so near. My brother him know, could I rent one place at Kingston, Find out thing about in life, rent one place at Kingston. Money there town and him can cook good. And people are come, me buy food over there. Me not really enjoy food when me buy over there. Me not tell no lie. Buy one cup of soup for $1,500. Then see a crayfish soup. When me buy the soup, when me dash what it tastes long, me dash with no shrimp no in there. Me care about go give people them, then care about come give me. Me never like how it tastes, so me dash with so. Me I say them place there, I don't know if you go too late in the night because the food might done and blah blah blah. Based off of what me see, you have to go early. So me I say, no, so me could have do that. One express with a rose like rent it, think about what you could have bake your own a cake, cook your own a food, come out from 10 o'clock and sell. And have your own things them and say every night you go there so you make your little money. But me I wonder if it work out because me not tell no lie. Thank you knife. But me I tell you say, me no know if you really, you can't think about the money what you are making, you just have to think about the goods and service. And one thing we could have do like think about something different why people them would have want. You even have people did they sell rum. I buy 2 bags of rum last night for $1,000 for 1 bag of rum with vodka and this and that. They have one next sitting what they a game sitting you can't think about one game. Something just go with and people are come out, like literally people come out. But the only thing what me think he need a different entertainment management thing where entertainment not really top tier. Double guys. Could I come like entertainment? They need better entertainment because the people them really come out about the entertainment boring. So me think they should all have one stage where kids can come out, do their little performance, something more bring vibes and energy. Otherwise, some people just buy food, the music not so hot. You know, like in a entertainment because you know, say if the entertainment not good, the money can't make. If the entertainment not good, the money can't make. You know, say a person come out of their house spend $1,000 alone, but when they come in entertainment good, so they end up spending, they spend more than $1,000 what they expect. You get what I say? So in a business, a lot of people lose because entertainment not nice. You have to do something to make it people then can hold our vibes. Get a good DJ and everything. I mean, I tell us right up the road up there, some money can make, you know. Me say where whole heap of money can make. Whole heap of money. That's why me tell myself, if me I go run a business a morning, me not go have a business where you maybe out of my office, my store room where mother say, all right, then up there so my store room where me have me things in, but you have to be a freelancer in Jamaica because if you go up one store and sit down at one place and expect say you go make money, no. In this when me see money can make, you have to have a tent, have a igloo, have a little pro box, your table and them things, any little event you drive out and you go sell your things them, I only way you can make money. You drive out and go sell your things them a function. And see the Portmore, they have their mega bunks. The mega bunks they are Portmore. Mega bunks, you know how much people are go come out, you can come out with the little things them and sell them. So me a plan to get my life together. I tell you to put my life together. Some days TikTok, and some days you have to out there like some days TikTok and you grow and grow and grow like business opportunity they up here, so me see it. Alright. Yeah, business opportunities up here, so like it really up here says and me not tell no lie, you support more. Right now me post Trinity birthday picture them and video. How much people they text me ask me for Jamaica that me I tell us say boy, me not tell no like country really they develop. Me I tell a country they develop. Jamaica so look like they are. Team up with another TikTok and go wing shocks mango pineapple. Listen, no people out there they do barbecue and them things there. In a business you have to think about one goods and service so nobody now. Let me tell us something about business. In a business you have to do something what nobody now do, like come up with one smart idea. People already they do wings. Do something what you one can do, something unique. Everybody want to sell here. Everybody you just have to think about one brilliant idea, like what is it me really can do. And the time when me out there, like me already have a platform. Me have a platform, people that want to see me, people that want to see me energy. Me have my backup page, so what I do? I tell people say, guys, me not, you see, like this account, me not really play with it. Me I be very vigilant pan when me inside me behave properly and them things. My backup page when me out in the street, me use my backup page and stream and them things that people know. So me out, people are gonna come out to see me. Yeah, a dessert. Yeah, people have cake and dessert. Right, me I tell us say, my brother feel good on in find one place renting a Kingston because one couldn't do it. You're going to my sleep and pay. You know, so me pay my money but me not bother go. Me pay my money for go but me not bother go. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah. Me not go nowhere. Me can't go, but me can support her same way. Me can't go, but me can support her same way. Like Candy open up a club. Candy have club? Me don't know which part. Come Ross head. Come fingernail. I don't want to see two of them. She said February. Which part she up meat? So Jackie put it. And then see them bad to bad, them not eat me, no bad to bad, them not eat me, no Maya, them coulda come and support me TJ. Me know say Jayden them woulda pass through and Jabas them woulda pass. Me I talk and cool bumper tell my body like they would literally come. And me know if me invite Kavi woulda come like no say this and that and just continue grab on me. Watch it that no bother. Watch it no bother. Right now. I go through a little spiritual warfare, and I just pray to God everything work out in God's favor because right now money can't make. Me and my brother can up here and we can't make money. All him have to do is find one little place rent in a town, getting on a space and rent somewhere and we can do this together. We can do it. Me can't start like me literally can't start. I tell you because I can't start because me know say bad to bad. If me text everybody what me know and tell them say boy you know say me I go do this and me bring a business, them I go help me.
People, nothing beat a try but a failure still, you know. But you see when it comes to business, you see business is like a gamble. You see me, it's no guarantee. Unless, not even unless, but you just have to hit up on your A game and prepare for, you know what I mean, the worst. You see me I say, and strive for the best or the greatest. Because you are going with people. If you are going to do a business, you're not going to do what everybody else do. You are going to do something where different from what everybody else do to draw the crowd to you. You understand me I say? So you have to look where the people them need, the consumers need, and you put the business there. You understand? And then it's a matter of just chance and if people are come, you know what I mean, support you or whatever. You understand me I say? So yeah. You have to just know say business is like a gamble most of the time. You see it? So let me know what you think. We watch some more and then move on with people.
It thing, you know, me bless. Me's a blessed little girl. I tell her a lot of help away from me. People just want to see me do it right in her life. But too bad, me know say if I go to Cali Money and like me say Cali Money, you know say me I go start this. Buju me have up here. Don't ask me if I'm good. Yeah, me know a lot of people that you don't. No, me have no extra room. No. Yeah. And then me find one babysitter up here too. I find one babysitter up here, so somebody link me to one good babysitter. So the thing is, when I go about my business, go and do my business, Trinity can have somebody to stay with up here. So for me, I can go anywhere in the world, pay the woman one good smart the same way. Trinity got school up here, so I can multitask with having Trinity. You get what I say? Like, Trinity literally can do my food, so if me or someone for go me as somebody who can keep her for 1 week. Suppose me think someone fly out for a week, me can fly for a week, she go to school, she alright. But coming back, me have her same way. Still be careful with it. Bro, I links the things.
Fire past Dynamite. The Rasta blood tag all over there. We all the pieces and the motola eat up. Queen big and front and stink. Every day you come and talk about language. You can't speak language. Belgium speak how much language? You can't speak Belgium language. You talk about documents. You have a Jamaica passport. And you have a blood clot Belgium ID card. Me have a Switzerland blood clot passport. It's not a city so, but it's bigger than what you have. If she come to Switzerland, she gonna need a visa. The reason why she can't go to Turkey because Turkey don't require no visa for Jamaica. Because she have a Jamaica passport. I just want visa get online like 10. Now get in 10 minutes. Everybody know that. 10 minutes Turkey visa take. 10 minutes, about 2 minutes. Everybody know that. You want to go into everybody business. You want to talk about everybody business. Talk about your business. And come out of the name's blood clot salon. Come out of the name's salon. Come out of the nail salon. Come out of the nail salon. You're a big dirty queenie. If you ever have a turn of blood clot, I'm going to take off the white filter on your face. I'm going to tell you about your bleach. You don't bleach. Let me find our filter. See the filter what you can use. Hold on. See the filter here. Wait. Let me find shea filter. What you walk a trip before it's Sister Brown and Pretti. When me born with, yeah buy you. When me born with, yeah buy you. See the filter here. And this is the filter where the girl use. See the filter where she use. See the blood clot filter where she use. So when you look punch, see the filter where the blood clot Bigfoot girl. Me don't want to call her. She name Bigfoot. And she name the fast thing. See the blood clot filter where you use. And this is the filter where you use. This is the blood clot filter where you use. Bigfoot blood clot shape. See the filter where you use. And that filter you use. Bigfoot blood clot. You're like tired of you. You come out here tell me I have court. Me go against government. Me go against government. Family live in Switzerland, I never go to jail yet. I have never go to jail yet. If me and somebody fight in Switzerland, me tell them say me mad and they know say me mad. You understand me? So what you have to talk about? And you go to Belgium, you go take cream soda. What is? I don't remember. How many cream soda again? Come on, remember. No one soda named cream soda. You go to Belgium, take cream soda. Cream blood clot soda in a foreign. You go to Belgium with teeth. The Bigfoot girl in walking to Belgium. You want to Belgium and tear down me dear. You want to Belgium and tear down when you want to walk. Look how earthquake come. Category 7 earthquake is coming to Belgium. You man should have no whole of Belgium me dear. You want to walk in Belgium and I focus blue. And Queenie, get me say, when I look to blood clot, shade up and I say, and Queenie short. And show you look. Sometimes Queenie look up to the camera. Me sorry for Queenie to love. Me sorry for Queenie. You man tall up and Queenie short. Yeah, plug up Queenie with a pair of blood clot chicken them. Category 10 blood clot earthquake. Yeah, we used to tell you go play basketball. Basketball man. You almost she look like a woman. When you pan she cranny. Everything a she cranny. She face cranny. She body cranny. Everything a she. Take off that filter and show your beauty. Test your beauty, take off the blood clot filter. You're brown, you're black, you're a black girl. You're a black man. If you make man in a pampas a grind you see a disgrace. You cuss everybody by the media and you're not cussing you. Me hear the girl a cuss. Me hear she a cuss at about people picking. Oh, I don't like when they cuss people. Me ask her something. Where you two pity them there? She no brown, she black. You have shade repression on my phone, shade black, shade and so. Listen guys. And that filter you shade a ban. Shade and Candy use a filter, but shade use a filter ya. And that filter you shade use a... Let me find one video. Can you think I like when I tell you that filter you the girl blood clot use. And that filter the girl use. You know the pan her page, you see that filter she use. And this she use for true. Brown. This is the filter we use, and that filter yeah she use, and come talk about say she brown, she black. All right. Can you not believe me? Me assure no, you not believe me. Wait, you not believe me? Can you think when me tell you say the girl no brown? Only thing I lie me I tell Destiny and she. Me I show no. Me I go show no. Me I go show no. Can you think say me I walk a tell lie? Yeah, when you're back and you're back. Your cousin. Hello? Oh, Pamela, man. Come tell me. Wait. She the brownie now. She have a white filter. Can they use it? Look. Ciara, look. This is brown. Wait. See shade natural face here. See shape face here. This is brown. Me tell her say the woman black. She not brown. Look on the woman head. Look on the woman head. No man this. Sometimes me say me just burn me for the blood clot. Woman you see? Which part of this brown? Your husband tell me say me mom. Which part of that brown? I want black somebody that. You can't make filter trick no. In a real life, she cranny in a real life and she cranny out of real life. I want cranny mockers. Man fuck you and here. She and her baby father and queen do threesome. You careless, you dirty. She fucking baby father and her batty hole. They try them to do threesome. Them careless and them dirty while they're picking a child service. Abal, mommy, where are you? How do you feel to know that you have your child in child service? How you feel if you know say everybody has say happy Mother's Day and mother and kids are hug up? You know, right now, when we go to America and go see my mother, it will me did a happy no blood clot, my love. And my mother spend Thanksgiving in America. It will me happy right through. How you feel if you see Isa call Ivany, mommy? Today this one video with Isa call Ivany, mommy, mommy, mommy. Me say, oh my God, that's so sweet. Christmas is coming up and the baby them need toys. And you're putting a blood clot child service. Christmas is for kids. Christmas is for kids, not us. It's for kids to celebrate Christmas. And you and your big stinking dirty sour head blood clot rasta, your big shit belly rasta, your nasty blood clot dready head lice is killing the rasta. Shit belly blood clot queenie, dirty queenie, shape bad queenie, if you ever hug in a tight and come in a setters. And blood clot towel in a pig, dirty blood clot queenie, hug. Big stinking blood clot queenie.
People, you know, a long time, me knowing myself, you know, to trust people online, you know, because the image of them portray online may not be who they are, and it may not be totally the person that is online. You see me, I say, so you be cautious right there, so. But when it come to TikTok, my people, me never know say them so terrible on TikTok. You know how me know say them terrible, my people? You see the girl when named Pinky, where do the robot thing like? People, you see when me see the girl on the TikTok award or something like that, and me see says a black blouse and skirt girl, when me the check say the girl was a brown girl, because that are the image that she portrayed. When you see her online, she brown, you know. But when she did that, the TikTok award, something people, it's a black blouse and skirt girl. And now because see Rosealee on Akeem live, and she say, yo, it's a black blouse and skirt girl. When she a show brown in complexion, when she dip on TikTok, me I say, no sir, you can't trust them TikTokers you need her. Them a cat way name they too. You see me I say, people, make watch some more.
They're over there. Well, while you should have bring out your 2 kids then to Christmas. You know, say if she wants his son to Belgium, she son can come to Belgium easy because she there Jamaica. Eh? And you have a daughter in a child service. You have your daughter in a child service, and this is Christmas, and you want to address everybody on the media. You're more careless than Annie. You're the more carelessest mom up on the media. I mean, you're cause Annie. You're bright. Oh, Annie careless. You want everybody pay if you get taken from child service because you won't get taken away. How dare you give your daughter to a moderator who you never see her picture, you only talk to her phone? Huh? Huh? How dare you? And you call yourself a mother? Don't address yourself as a mother because you don't know what is a mother. You're a careless mama. Every day she have the baby. You know the baby father say when he left and go work, she have the baby pan life and the baby shit up in whole himself. And that the baby father say. I think he did on my other phone. The baby father say she the baby name sure shit up in whole herself. She the pan life and the baby shit up in whole himself. When he come back home, the man says she joy upon the baby. And she depend live on Instagram live of course. She ate the pitney. Me don't know what the pitney do she. Me can't play because me can't find it. I think Sky Diamond have it. And Sky have them video there. Sky Diamond have it. You have one page name. When name the spoon. If you them the one page man. We page name again. But you have to go way down. And the spoon. in that phone, I mean in one of them phone. You up on YouTube, up on which part on YouTube, it's all about the man says shit drop. The man when he share mama and he man when if you go meet him mother laugh first. Instead to share mama say, lady, I know you may come to it will share mama ugly. It's another phone here. You will share mama ugly. The man say we share mama ugly. Ugly. Me, I come out there also. I come here yard from the things there with the girl come in that car. You have a pretty picture video with me. I come out there also. I come here yard from the things there with the girl come in that car. You have post the video about I wish white woman she go find for go suck. Your brighty batty man, I'm gonna suck pussy, go suck your mother. Never suck a pussy yet, never. Our baby father, the baby father put her out with garbage bag, my dear. Put her out with garbage bag, and one white woman come take her out, my dear. And the man said, oh, bye. And the man video her, my dear. So the man him a cuss to she have careless blood clot, girl in a foreign. Careless from long time. Careless. Yeah. And he want to come out with proper girl like me. And man, your big father put you out with a bag of garbage bag with your dirty clothes them. And you go like you're bargain. You're mockers. You're mockers. You're mockers. You're so big blood clot, big head.
No one's made up on live. It's going to bring a lot of views and followers.
Okay, thank you very much. So
yeah, stay live, guys. But take over animal now.
I'm gonna post up that picture right now. So please just help me.
What picture?
If you can. The picture of the person who stole my page and also I use it right now to try to sell it, and also I link people who sponsor me and I try to pretend like it is me. Alright? So can you help me?
Yeah, I will help you private. How old are you, Anthony?
Jesus Christ. 35 Destiny.
I look so good.
No. See person there though. In the tall here, that's you.
I don't want to see that person. I'm jealous.
Me no me woman. Me not there with the woman, brother. The woman thief me page. Let me try to tell you.
But you're not going to get it back, so just build up back your page.
And you're a second person that tell me that. So what if me can't get it prosecuted? That me want to ask.
You can't get it back. You man never fired at Jamaica. You're there. You can't get it back.
No, at Jamaica she there.
Oh, you know say at Jamaica?
Because at Jamaica number she always a call my pa.
Me want me like you know.
So just please, now beg some awareness, please. Because
you tell us me like you. I mean, know you have a big cocky, you know. Me like.
Boy, my people, in a good while, I see so much swim around. A man will say them a arrow, dep on live. He reach a all-time high now. Although me say each his own, you know what I mean, and everybody deserve the chance to socialize in a whatever capacity, you know what I mean. On a level, it's okay to talk to people because we are all human beings. You see me? So tell me what you think, my people. I make watch some more.
Big cocky man. You have pitney?
I don't mean that, my friend.
What you mean by?
Just listen me now, man. Me just need help. Please. Me just need some.
What help you need?
Me not see no other big influence out there right now.
So what about Annie?
Come assist me. Everybody all knows Annie now go assist me.
Why?
Yeah, I know that. Annie would make sure I say.
Well, I can't help you like that, my love. I often name off your cocky before I help you. But I often name off your cocky, my dear.
So if we spread awareness, you have to name off my cocky?
Of course. I often name off that, my dear. Come here, say that big, I'm gonna like the big. What you say?
Alright, so you're not gonna help me then?
Me gonna help you, of course, guys. Stop up there and share the live. But who them there make nice? A pitney? Are you baby?
Me just
Me go help you. Life too short, so get old. Eh?
me just need some help, please.
Let me now go get the help. You know, she say Jamaica too hard. You know, want come and party me there. Switzerland, me living outside of England.
No, me not like man.
What do you mean you don't like man? I'm not a man. What are you talking about?
No, me know you're a man. Why do you have somebody? What do you me there for me life?
You know, say me a man, but you still there, so I know I move.
But me I ask you help, but that's me I ask you whether you can help me.
I'm desperate, you not have to help for blood clot. You're by curious. You're curious.
Me tell you something, alright, good luck, good later. Because me tell you something, I beg some help from somebody who will help me. But
then you no go and go beg it for Annie or Shibada.
Alright, later.
Blood clots. But me a man, him like me come follow me dear and he said, man, look at something in my inbox, me dear. You know, look when you text somebody and you send in a local what you call that, you look wave and move your blood clot and we're desperate, me love. But scam, nobody no scam my blood clot. I come for look something. Move your dirty, I Billy come for Billy page. Move your blood clot and go Anthony. Me never get face and wine off your cocky cause me say big my love. I mean, I think I want your cocky for wine off cause anything any wine pan me love are germs. I remember any pussy I rock me dear. And I come run no down me cause me no cold skin man. Yes, my dear. Yeah.
You know, so me about food, me say.
You still have 30 odd nuggets?
I have everything.
We're not playing anything. We just come to say hello to 10.
Right.
So, Shana.
Yeah.
You didn't know, say, may I have the same name on the internet?
What name that?
Backup singer.
You never know, so them start calling.
Yeah, them start calling me backup singer now.
Okay, so I mean,
well, you and Queen have the same name.
Them say, yeah, me enough.
You back up too much.
Yeah, me back up too much.
So,
that's what the woman want to be seen.
One on the name now, okay?
I should for one.
We one fair one, so one yours. Alright, good. That's not bad.
You know I'm play for prayer.
So why you want me to pay for me? Why you want to pay for me nuggets them for Shana?
Circle.
You don't see me have so much nuggets.
After the meal.
Tell me no want to take your nuggets them, you know.
Yeah. That sound like a trick.
The nuggets them just so you know.
Oh, that sound like a trick, so chat.
Don't listen to him. No.
Come here one. Can you know that so?
44 nuggets.
The people me not shoot, don't tell me no. They're not shooting, don't tell me no. Alright?
So you would look away if you take your nuggets them on the first.
No, me not think you're bad, so come chat. Tap your
what you say?
Me not think you're bad, so come chat. So first double chat, me will give him one. Come chat, come give him a first one chat. Come chat, show him up.
Put up there.
Don't let me down chat. Don't show him up now, show him up now.
I like
yeah, man, I'm not gonna let me down, man. Show him up now,
man. Something for the first double.
But show me.
What's
No, I'm a team now played people. They don't really play people.
Shot.
They don't really smiley people and so. They don't really smiley. The season of Shana.
Yeah.
We're not intimidated by Uno. Everybody thank you. Pakalu thank you. Everybody thank you. RJ and I no gloves.
When I
what size? We can't shoot down say what?
It not work that way there. RJ 130. No right now. Not really work that way this time.
Can't make your food burn up in a summer for you, so I say?
I think say you call them sugar cane. Oh, you got them a treat yourself.
Oh.
Oh man, you no.
Something nice, come on screen.
Speed, yeah, one speed. Come on, chat. We need 4 and on that speed, yeah.
4 and chat.
Chat, come chat, catch your speed. 4 and chat. Come on, chat, we can do it. 4 person, 1 and 4 person, 1 and 4 person, 1 and 4 person, 1 and that's easy.
Yeah.
We can get 4 and 4 and 1.
Can't work. Can't work.
Yeah, man, what's the word for you, man? Where?
For a man chat.
My side, you know, shoot down shelf for me, then I fry some lobster.
Can't work.
Shane, be
What
careful.
send for a no?
Shane, watch your mouth.
I want money gun.
Pan the speed, RJ.
One more
Shot,
shot.
go away pan the triple.
Shotty.
Pan the triple now,
Just
chat.
one, 3 more smarty, 3 more.
Well,
Yeah, 2
anything
more,
pan
2
the
more.
triple.
Original Slimmers. 2 more, quick.
Anything pan the triple chat. No
One
rough going
more,
up.
one more. Jesus. Devine.
Come on, chat.
Chance.
Come chat. Triple. Come chat. See the gloves there? No rules. Come chat. RJ, activate the gloves there. Come on, chat. Let's go. Simone, come. Come on, chat. They can't play with me.
I can drop some for the triple.
Until love Shane, thank
Use
you.
the triple.
That is it, chat. Come on, chat. Push up a score. Come, chat. Use the triple. Don't look on them. Use the triple.
Use the triple.
Chat, remember the girl in the light. Me come, chat. Use the triple.
Some galaxy.
Snipe me down.
Wheel.
Use the triple, chat. Them it snipe me down. Remember them like me. Use the triple. RJ, thank you. Come on, chat. Use the triple. Use the triple, chat. Use 10.
Yo.
Oh, you like that 10, yeah?
I told me that cook and me, I try to enjoy the meal and all that.
Don't cook last time.
Eh?
No. You can't do that. No.
Oh, forgive me, I cook. Just
People, let me tell you something. Saying, me I predict say, this a youth here, him a go be the breakout artist for next year. You see me? Him thing I go turn up next year. Watch a little joke and see. Me see say yo, I eat this for him, you know. Him in the music industry. Him dead a long time still, you know, but him no get the break yet. Him no find the song yet. Him no get the presence where, you know what I mean, the big presence. Right now, him get the presence, him get a little song. And I feel like so the next song where him go drop, you know, the rhythm we are growing, you know, DJ Mac and Skipper and something. The rhythm there, and it go propel him career. Remember me did tell you, make you watch some more.
don't cook and I try to enjoy. No. Shana, basically I beat up over there, you know me.
Yeah, you.
No. We can't focus, is it?
Oh, where the food bad, Shana? So all the food bad, you focus? The food too nice? In there?
I must say, when I get that treatment yesterday, I'm full joint.
Oh.
Yeah. And I forgot to sugar buy no fish and lobster. And I forgot to buy no wax food. And I forgot to buy no salmon again.
Oh, you have inside dinner now? Right, outside too expensive, right? I like that. Yes, inside food is good. Right, I like that. Well,
It tastes better.
right, it's like this good to know you have a chef. It's nice. Yeah, me you won't be hungry, but don't put on too much weight, okay?
I'm tired already.
Big like us.
No, me not like that thought there.
Big like us right now, Chef.
Jesus Christ. Now put on no more weight, Shana.
If you see my back, my body get big. If you know some body could get so big.
So you start put on weight, is that you're saying to me?
If that is big, I'm brown.
Oh, welcome to good life.
What? I was missing out.
One buck clock, man.
Who smells like in a Shana front the food I go?
Like I in there, I go yes, car. Fat your hot.
true.
So I did say me just say me not go cook lunch with my people, man, you know? Yeah.
Alright, ladies, alright.
Stiff body that. Me don't know how it's stiff.
I have to ask one question. Who we ever call for teach you stuff? Me can't call.
The big good
Barney
them.
can't teach we suck. Barney can't not teach we no suck.
How am I deal with it?
Ladies! You go fix. She'll teach you how to suck. Well, alright, turn your back. Turn your back.
Don't risk your page, alright.
Don't risk your page, Chicho.
You come and let me shut the cocky, because you ain't come. I walk on a white spot. Because you can't. Why your pussy are really sick? How are this from your wood?
No said this morning, I never wake up to this.
I'm shutting wood for sure, because maybe I would fresh and black. No sell a white spot on anybody else. Something.
Let me up clear. That triple. Cool, thank you.
Chat, triple, first give triple chat, first give
Nobody
triple.
know where.
Come with one hole in my back. Me push me and way in my body. Bumbo clad,
Let me use it then. Guys, triple.
I'm bottom.
Funny.
Now give me back my backup page. Me need. Me no want to drop out of A-League over there now. Oh, me don't. We're gonna go over Twitter a little bit from this. Triple.
Guys, triple chat when it starts. Boy, here really I end with a bang.
Man. Please.
Be a fuckery a go on. Can't vanity the past create. Life a change. No love is the way.
5 rows, chat, 5 rows, 5 rows, 5 rows, my side, 5 rows. So hold on, Avanya, what is your officer code?
No, sir, I don't want to learn for soccer.
Me?
Gloves, chat, gloves.
I don't see your
triple and gloves, triple and gloves. See it again. Triple and
Triple
gloves.
chat, triple,
Triple.
use the gloves now.
Help!
Use the gloves, chat, use the gloves.
Help me now.
Help me now! Help!
Chat, use the gloves now. Times 3 team number.
Triple chat.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Help!
Triple my side, triple team number, triple chat, triple.
Help!
Rush it.
Thank you, babes. Thank you, cute.
Yeah, Rush it. Thank you so much, babes. Come again. Vani.
Thank you.
You said something when you just come on the live. Say. Me hear you say something when you just come on the live. A joke can make you ever get butt shot, right?
Me a butt shot 1 time.
Don't do no more.
No, man, me need big bottom and hips.
Eat and get a good fat.
No, it not work, cause me eat him and stress it gone. Let me show you what I go get.
Vani.
I want to look like a superstar.
But you have to do it the healthy way. As much as I can't stand here, you know, deep down in my heart, I wouldn't want nothing to deal. Me not like
but shot them what a girl them do it all the years them have it. All Tatiana, a girl them with the Tatiana butt shot her.
But at the end of the day, you and them not have the same type of body and blood type and them something with the Vani and you have to take bumbo, pussy was. Remember blood clot.
But me can't do no more.
Remember it, listen, it's too risky. Don't blood clot do it. You say you get one already. Figure out a fucking way to get your fat. Remember me no pussy walker. Vani me I tell you,
where ta go deal?
I in a day of fame. Me come at your grave, come beat up your
where ta go deal?
No.
Where deal?
So, it's not good for your body. After a certain time, it start affecting whole of your body. A serious something me I tell you. Butt shots are not for we black people. You have to start feel some pain in your body where you don't know where it come from. Doctor can't find out what to it. And when you look at from right there, so remember at the end of the day, Vani, better we stress out and go put back a fat as 100 million times as you want. But no shots at all, no good for you. Maybe can't stand you sometime, but I just can't stand you. Me actually, why you live to say eyes as big as Paris. Paris turned 19 the day before your birthday.
So before you do them something and research them. No shot at all, no good. No shots. You don't need no shots in your body.
BBL better.
Your fat transfer always better because your body, whatever come out on one side of your body and go to the next part.
Fat BBL not work for me, man.
No, because you not eat, body. Eat. Remember I saying after you do surgery, you know, it actually make you lose your appetite. You see me? You just want your good fat then. See, people that might say increase. Listen, me know I've only thing me ever do, I move my fat from one place to the next.
Me not gonna get no more, but chat. And everybody body different. Yes, you know I call out all of who it affect. One to all of who it never affect. You have all the
yeah, but Barney, we know who it affect. But at the end of the day, I know who it affect in Barney. And what because we know what the challenges are. We know the danger where it come with. So people can have it and it not do them nothing. But you don't know what the danger is. Wait till that come with you. Remember, you smoke, you drink, you fuck around. You don't even eat else. You eat what come to your mind. So if today you say a wings, today a wings. If tomorrow you say a fry, a fry. We don't care about K. Michelle and them something people there. As when she say a while ago, she have a point in she gonna look for other people who it never affect. But at the end of the day, you don't know if it can affect you. And it has too much risk factor in it to affect you. That's why me that say, get your fat from somewhere else. Out of your body. Make somewhere where you get fat and you take it from this up. If you're born to be as slim as you just have to be.
The people, you see some of them females, yeah, them not for trouble the surgery thing. Because some of them are extreme, you see them people. You see once them touch part of them body, them nah stop till them spoil it. I'm telling you something to know for the females them out there. You see if you're ugly, surgery can't fix that. You see me, if you have a real mess up shape, surgery can't fix that. The only thing with surgery do enhance you. You see me, I say if you have a flat body and you know what I mean, the style did it already. If you look bump or something, you can enhance that. But you know go fix you and turn you into a Barbie when you are on Ken. You see me, I say? So someone who love surgery, you see me, and someone who go overboard with the surgery thing, you see me. People, make you watch some more.
They say when you get this shot, you can't do BBL again. And that means somebody say no. 2 times I get shot. One girl in Miami did do it, and then one next girl come on me and come do it 2 times. Then so when you get shot, you can't get BBL.
It's very dangerous. I wouldn't choose that for you. I remember me and you, I know we're favorite, but certain things I know is a risk factor in it. Worse when we have kids, we have to think about that. We have to think about that. You see me? So anything where you know risk you to lose your life. That's why me wanna just get up and go jump out of one plane. Me have to make people them who have none picnic go do it. Cap string can pop when me that just imagine you make a picnic sit in your yard and say, look how mommy go kill herself for batty. Look how mommy go kill herself for jump out of one plane. So certain things me not go do because I know the risk factor of it. Me not say we not live like daredevil sometime, but it is crazy like that. Your body build different. We all our body build different. We can never watch nobody what they do with them body and talk about this and that. That's why when you come and body shame people, y'all don't even know what people go through. You see me? Because a lot of us do surgery and they appetite mess up for years after. You see me? For years after. From the first time me do surgery and come out of surgery, and months me can't eat. Me not think me ever go back to what me normally eat ever again. From the first surgery me do, which was 7 years ago. Me never eat heavy again. Me can't eat heavy. If me drink one milkshake, it hold me for the whole day. So certain things me not fuck around because me totally lose my appetite. If me stress out right now about anything at all, 10 pound gone, 15 pound gone in a 2-3 day. So, you see me?
Like I'm not sure.
If you get 2 butt shot on it, you don't need no more. Because it take over time, it's going to just grow and grow and grow. If we really feed our body and exercise the right way,
we are getting body where we want. Me love the big body girl, you know. Me wish my body did bigger. But me ever just think about it. I first me ever get some good fat from myself and nowadays, yeah. You don't know what she have got through. I say I want to look like she.
Yeah, big body man.
Yeah, that a round body, that a short body.
Oh, and a body round, a short body.
Most body where you see round and look like a ball, a short body.
Why did I report my page for?
Let's click cancel. No, I probably threw that shake up.
I show everybody that dance.
She live in Miami. She fair body big.
Me say most of people them
and she take lipo me get that in over here too. Lipo injection. Instead of the lipo and cut yourself to make your belly flat, she do the injection. It work, that work. Sarah. See her belly flat?
She was skinny girl, she don't have flat belly overall.
But you say she take lipo shots. Sure.
And she exercise, Vani.
And she exercise, funny.
Yeah, she exercise. For you see her body, you know that she have a gym bod too. You not exercise, you got gym. The first wrong move what you make when you just do your body, you killed your own fat. Me watch you kill your fat. Me ain't that
no,
friend.
me ain't have no fat. You see, doctor, let me tell you. My belly did big and me think fat in there. Now the doctor tell me say, a man tell me say, this where you feel and a fat that. A man say you have baby and your chest is slim, your belly drops so and a fat that your belly
No, I'm not talking about that.
The man you have no fat at all. The man said, oh, you're not no fat. We are just place it at the side for just make it look like
yeah,
you have hips.
I saw that when you did surgery. I just you're puffing in your belly. I understand that. But the first thing that you did, what you shouldn't do, you went to the gym. You have all people like big fat, so I'm if y'all go work.
But me go gym, me not do nothing at gym. Me go gym, go walk 2 times and go back to me yard.
Barney, you do everything for burn your fat off. And that you do. You go gym, any little sweating you put on your burn off your fat.
2 times I go gym and me never go back and I don't spend 15 minutes because I don't like a gym. Me go down there, me walk on something, me come back up. The next day, me go and make my legs start at me and never go back to the gym. At 2 times, me ever go.
Yeah, uno can't do, uno fear eat and I eat one bag. Alright, and I just...
I forget the big body, man. Nothing go on for me.
Yeah, her body burn fat fast. Yeah, because she dance up and she do her thing them. So, she...
straight like her.
No, you actually have body like you never have before. Me did actually think your body pad up. I swear. Una not telling a lie. Vani have body where she never did have before. Me know you want a big body. It most me can tell you, I slim down your hip, slim down your belly, start.
Well, my people, me not lie. That the body that Ivany have is perfect. You don't want to touch. She not fit touch it. Big woman thing. Me no want to think.
Tight down your belly so your belly gets smaller and your body push
out. I get lipo shots. Lipo shots don't work. When you choke in your belly, make your belly flat.
So here what you need to do, get a smaller torso, get a smaller belly, like put a far and something there. You have a thick neat body, I mean I don't want pussy well. Although you don't know body morning, noon and night, I don't give a fuck. But anyway, I think you never have no body, but you do have body. Because even when you have on your long dress them, we can see your body, you have a slim physique already. So, if you overdo it, yeah, our metabolism.
I shot in my body now, it do something to me now.
We don't know, that's why we don't want you to do no more. Over a period of time, it make your bottom grow now. So, on overnight, and you love results same time. You have a nice physique, you have a slim girl physique, and you have your body actually push out through your clothes them. Because honestly, if you want to dance or dance, I think I want you fuck with them when you pad up your body jar them. I never did actually believe
no,
that.
No, I mean, body did bigger one day, and the boy stressed me out and body
so
get...
Nobody make no goddamn food on about. The more you feed your body, Vani, and you know why your belly get back big, it go find the fat go find somewhere for go. That's why a lot of people wear them far. You make it not come in your belly. When you know what eat, it go find place to go in your leg.
So when you don't eat, you put on the far.
You put on the far while you eat.
While you eat. And suppose
you see avocado and peanut butter and them something that are best fat for you get, because them are good fat. If you like avocado, live on it.
Them pear over here.
Of course,
Me not feel comfortable other auto. Me I go eat pear then. Me a faha guys. Me a faha in a small.
man,
And me
and
a
anything
faha
what
in
to
a
make you put
large.
on a little weight. Cause if you did see it what they are, normally shots
No, not
growing up.
faha. Me can't take a faha. I me have to piss through. So me have but belly something we tie in a belly. But where
Yeah.
call belly wrap.
Greek, yeah, all of them there. So the cotton cheese, the Greek yogurt, all of them something that we make. And Vanny name them something that on a regular for fun. So it's go easy for you for just Vanny, if you sit down there, so,
Today go back there.
if you sit down right there, so every day and put on your waist trainer and eat all and plate with avocado with bread. And then you eat all throughout the day, you eat all and 3 yogurt, your fat go come back. You just have to train your body where you want the fat to go. Avocado, peanut butter, yogurt, all good fat.
But you know, say Wally, she have a butt shot she do, you know, and she take them out and go and she go back to the butt shot again. Jayla Wally. Little bit. Jayla Wally.
I start treat either, so let me shut my mouth. Now we're in the right top, girl. Now we're in the right. What sense that make? Now we're in the right. My friends, let me at the same blood clot story that was big.
What's good? I get a game. Please. I get a game, please.
You that fuck me?
Why wouldn't I? Can I get a game, please? Just one game? Just one game. I know I'm gonna lose, but I just want one game. Please?
You do the naughty?
All that. You got one life to live. Fuck it.
Let's see, no man. Later. Me have a Terry. Later. I don't want that man see me ever play a night. My mouth is nasty, you know. They make me big a lion. They make me post. They make me look a lion. That can blood clot help me. That can buy something. Your badge too big for your drop. That big a lion. I don't want blood clot there, so I want to look that man appear on the app in my comment section. Although him can't type because him not for sub, him can't type. And the blood clot things them. Dear man, who tells him hungry? Where give me 5 flowers to do? Me I look one lion. Find you. Can I buy something? Put up share chat.
Yo, unblock my next account. What am I about to wait? That's when I see your live.
Let me send me lion first.
I can send you, unblock me first.
Me unblock.
You know, say you're my TikTok baby.
I 2 phone I have. So when I send me lion, I'm going to show it, me unblock you.
I get it like that right now. Right now,
send the lion. Me unblock you.
Unblock me first and then you pay. Unblock me, you pay.
You work so dear me, I
can't afford a lion right now. Ask for something smaller, like quarter out of that, or half quarter.
Alright, send me one shuttle.
That one?
Shuttle.
Unblock me first. I don't know why shuttle. I look through my gift in here. I barely get. I be honest with you, I barely get 2K. Yeah.
That's not to do with me.
Tell me name. So Damien cool boys. I don't know. I'm not find you.
Hey, too much. You know, say we're not going to too much. Me have to just make you go and buy your business.
Play somebody and me I go shoot for the other person.
No, eh. Unblock, no. And said it now, me find you.
You find me?
Dear me, I know.
Show me, Damien Cool Boys. This is my backup. This is my gift and I come.
Damien Cool.
Same name like me, this account there. So the people never tell me for play your steady because...
The one who have 62 followers?
No, you get 105,000 followers.
Damien Cool Boy, white name.
Damien __ Cool Boys type that.
Alright, spell the username.
Damien __ Cool Boys.
Spell the username.
DAM, yes, right. Damien __ Cool Boys.
DAM
IAN __ 2 _.
Alright, I find it. See there now.
Perfect. One black mate.
Alright, send it now, no?
Beg again.
Send we are to shuttle.
What is shuttle?
Me a black your back.
Or make a get or media shower, meteor shower.
Hey! Talk fast now.
Leon the kitten for one black.
No! Your man,
I get nothing more than 5K. Make a recharge 2K move for send you Leon the kitten. Help me out now, me poor too, you know.
No.
Let me tell you this, all the way up on the same big level.
Your badge too blood clot big. I'm gonna do my show now, man.
I'm back, man. May I send you, play somebody, let me send you in a game so you can win.
Me don't want that, me can want.
My people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Me I gonna run through the rest of this, you know what I mean? I don't talk too much, but it seems like Rosealee must have tried to get Akeem jealous or be a thing she go on with on the live, my people. So, me could get tonight.
I don't want that, send it now.
Let me take some from your gallery.
Take some from my gallery.
Bumbo class, you need left in your gallery. We don't want nothing in the gallery.
Is it me a careless girl boy, yeah?
Play somebody me a shoot for you. Me not like
no, me not play that. Send me, no, me not want that. Me not play that match.
One black player, come.
I'm black already, me not play them a game there.
Where you want me send you? Where you want me send you, girl? Where you want me send you?
Tell me one lion that I want.
No, me can't lie. I'm gonna get it like that right now.
What you have? Come in and pressure you.
Me can send you media shower.
No.
Me I go reach. Listen to me. You don't say me. You don't say me a man of my word, right? Me I send you a media shower now, and when we play and we build some coins, me I send you back. My recycle and send you more. Deal?
No. Send me post. They man send me post and go on, no?
You know, say me TikTok baby, yeah?
Alright, go on now. Have a good day.
Right, so make sure you follow the account so I can follow you back. Because I not find the people that want me to play you.
Chat left him, I learned him more enough. We can play 2 good games with him. F him. Me not block him back. Don't do that. That's rude. You know I'm gonna block you. That's rude. Don't do that. That's rude. Leave that. We can't fight. We're there more while. I want one good game. Can't give you a good game. Remember you know come put no blood clot money, you know. And I rank. We're there here, him can't start him live over there, him always have smoke. All him out feisty, but him always have smoke. We can't get a good game out of him. And sometimes the only thing, remember, you know, listen. I mean, I say this good. We not come every minute in a bag of argument with nobody. Sometimes we look one good game. Him have a good game. Him always have smoke. No man. When we look one good game, we look one good blood clot game. Cause sometimes we play Ozone and I shoot. Sometimes we play with husband, you not say nothing. We look a good game. If we come on, we can play one best out of 3 or one best out of 5, and them no say, I know gimmicks thing a game we are play. Cause me tell me, come on, Damon, a game we are play, you know. Focus on the game.
You know, gimmicks thing. Focus on the game. We can't play one good best out of 5 like we play with Holiday. I would just do a thing. Why when the problem? I play one blood clot good game I come counter, but no. I know blood clot say nothing. Rest I left that. No mind. Something wrong with the mind. We are 2 good game we are look. People business no work, fire. A 2 good game work. All I want to walk a fast and people business and fast and people lifestyle. A 2 good game work, fire. When gifters come and see game, I play me throw them kind you will get something, feed and drink something, have something. Let them all know. They may not sleep in my house. So I say AC one blood class service. And I have $1. Christmas come and know me by the blood clot we come and have it. Try to enter the ranks yet. I'm not going to sit down here with all when I enter the blood clot ranking. I don't mind them restart and play one good game. I want good game here look. So when I drop off, you see. They look one good game. Sometimes we not get it. And sometimes we get it. I mean, I try to play with other people. I mean, I do not mix up. A good game here look. So when the man come back with the bag of bravery and tea, him know him go back where I come from. Because a game me I play. Chat. What is that?
Assalamu alaikum.
Miss move your blood clot. Where? Me I couldn't go sell my pussy. I'm out. Joy cries in tears. But even my heart cries but 2 blood clot cares. Because sell out my organs and my parts. Come up my phone but one game, one move. We can look at suck, yeah, so. You suck pussy for you? You stick it before you lick it?
No.
You lick it, then you stick it?
Mandatory.
So you can't come pull up on my foot?
Why not?
Like you're eating the car right now.
Right now.
Me seriously.
Hey, why you be gassing the nigga? You be gassing me, bro.
Gas you oh.
You be getting me excited for nothing.
I'm gonna get excited for nothing.
Give me a match.
That's something I want to tell him about match. You not play match, you know?
Alright, nothing wrong with that.
I think bigger match, forgive it.
Nothing wrong with that.
So now when I send me an old picture.
Yeah, I don't got no number. You can't send it on TikTok.
Send me over Instagram.
I don't got your IG.
Blood clot, them have smoke, chat. The dirty people, them have smoke.
Oh shit.
Come on, chat, focus. Chat, focus, chat.
Y'all power tap for me, chat. Yeah, what's in the cup?
Some of them make clit stiff.
Oh shit. Ooh.
Yeah, you thought this is true?
Why you keep asking the same questions? You gonna get the same answer.
Yes or no?
Yeah, for sure. Y'all power tap chat because they gonna try and snipe. Don't take them light. Don't take them light.
You can't go back and firing.
Of course.
But swipe in a national dish.
What happened?
Swipe in a national dish.
Yeah, of course. 17 minutes, chat. Come on, chat. Let me get them roses.
So you Akeem, my friend, you want my pussy to eat.
Come on, chat. 7 more roses, chat. Let's go. 6 more. What you say?
Mr. Oh yeah, Akeem, my friend, you want my bum off to eat.
Hey, a meal is a meal at the end of the day. Fuck that.
Mr. Ear, so hey! Oh my God!
Damn, chat, we ain't
every ear, something my blood clot, body, no Mandela. Chat tripper. Triple chat.
Damn, we ain't catch the triple.
Use a triple chat.
Y'all watching, but
what keep here, so?
We ain't catch it though. Fuck.
That triple chat. We're on a live goal.
Fuck.
No, I'm gonna go where? I'm not gonna stay here so them dig these things. Chat warmer. Chat, it's if we not enter the ranking, me not gonna stay here so